the part of the trail where it looks like I'm going to have to do the limbo to get up to those stairs. Here we go. Chick-a-lap-limba, chick-a-lap-limba, chick-a-lap-limba. Hello, can you go? Hello, can you go? Hello, can you go? Let's see how low I can go. Duck, 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 duck. Hello, can I go? Chick-a-lap-limba, chick-a-lap-limba, chick-a-lap-limba. I made the tree limbo. Big old rocks up there again. See them up there? Okay, let's see where these stairs take us. Well, this looks like this is where I'm going to turn around because the rest of this trail doesn't look too safe. So I guess I'm going to have to go back around off the bridge. Sorry for moving the thing. I had something in my face. Here I go, back to in the tree limbo. There it is. Okay, here I go back over. Here I go. Back to the tree limbo. Well, thanks again for watching this, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. Have a good day. Bye.